Hello friends, welcome to Tiara Homeopathy. This is Dr. Gowde from Goa and today we will discuss two rubric, that is foolish behavior and childish behavior. Both these rubric look similar but there is small difference between both of them. First, what is foolish behavior? Foolish behavior is when person's actions and behavior are illogical or silly, does not define any logic. Example, laughing without reason. Doing silly actions. Often this condition is seen in insanity, delirium. Some common remedies in this condition are belladonna, hyoscyamus, stramonium, apis, argentum nitricum, lycopodium, mercurius, phosphorus, sickle core, etc. What is childish behavior? Childish behavior is when person's behavior is immature for that age. He will act in a way like he is younger to his age. He might do thumb sucking, clinging to his parents, throwing tantrum. The remedies for childish behavior are barataka, baratamur, cicuta, stramonium, etc. I have also discussed antique plays and mischievous behavior in my previous videos. The link has been given in the description box. Thank you for watching this video till end. Kindly subscribe this channel and like this video.